Hello and welcome to Byte Size Tech. I'm your host Rogue, and today a word from our sponsor Crypto.com, home of the Visa card that pays up to 8% in rewards and the app that pays you up to 14% annually on your crypto stake. Join more than 10 million users on the world's fastest growing crypto app as you trade with confidence on the world's fastest and most secure crypto exchange. Tech has more information and a special sign up offer at the end of this video.
This is kind of nice. And the 3060s really have dropped.
We've got a new article here. NVIDIA to increase production of its RTX 3060 card from July. But is that the LHR card?
All 3060s are LHR.
Which means...
But again, for somebody who just wants to gain... Although the truth is, that only works against Ethereum, and they still are... There's a reason why you cannot find a 3060 either.
Because
they still mine.
Yeah.
LHR was mostly a marketing ploy by NVIDIA to make everybody feel better. It didn't really slow anybody down. In any case, it is true that if they can increase production by enough, they will eventually overwhelm the market and produce enough cards to be sold. The challenge is, how many are they going to make?
But not everybody wants a 3060.
True, but some people who would otherwise buy a 3060 will upgrade to a 3070 or 3080 to simply have something to buy. The people who buy 3060s are not necessarily buying 3080s. It satisfies the market.
Yeah.
It satisfies somebody in the market.
Correct.
And the same thing is true in reverse. Somebody who wanted a 3080 might settle for a 3060 and take themselves out of the market because it's good enough and they don't want to mess with it anymore. And so that frees up a 3080 to somebody who waited for one. Every good gaming card made, no matter what the level, satisfies at least a piece of the market.
Correct.
Honey?
Let's see. As millions around the globe wait for GPU situation to rectify itself, it can seem like every piece of news surrounding NVIDIA or AMD is teeming with misery. Even with the likes of AMD CEO, Even with the likes of AMD CEO sure that availability would be improving soon, it can be difficult to maintain a positive outlook given how long the deficit has been going on. However, there may be some glimmer of hope as production of the GeForce RTX 3060 begins to increase.
See if I can zoom this in for you.
Ooh.
Is that better?
Yeah. In a recent report, it's been announced that NVIDIA will be increasing production of one of its newer, though not newest, graphics cards starting next month. While this may not initially seem like the light at the end of the tunnel, especially given that both NVIDIA and AMD have been putting out products during the shortages, the report goes on to say that there are price drops being spotted around the globe, particularly in places like China.
Unrelated note, it's not in the article, but I do think that this is something a lot of people have... I haven't seen this covered by a lot of people.
NVIDIA will no longer be supporting Windows 7 or 8.
Are you guys aware that come October, when Windows 11 launches, that'll be the last driver?
For Windows 7 or 8.
Yeah, so you won't be getting any new drivers. Which, honestly, I get why not everybody wanted to go to Windows 10 right away. It's time. Windows 7 launched 12 years ago. I know. It's time. This is like the Windows XP holdouts. I understand why not everybody want to leave Windows XP right away, but there comes a point... I mean, you know Windows XP is now 20 years old?
Holy crap.
2001.
2001?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's about right.
Nuts, isn't it?
Uni? Wow.
We did a Windows XP video last year. It's rough trying to run that today. In any case, so there's, yeah. So they just got to make several 100,000 more cards a month, and that'll at least help.
It will.
How many of you have a Visa card that pays you up to 8% on every purchase? Crypto.com offers an amazing deal on their Visa card with cashback that is an unbeatable deal. No annual fee, no sign-up fee, no credit checks, no interest payments. It works just like a prepaid debit card, allowing you to spend your money anywhere Visa is accepted. But wait, there's more! Get your Spotify, Netflix, and Amazon Prime subscriptions 100% paid for by Crypto.com. You heard me right. Use your new Crypto Visa card to pay for your subscriptions and get 100% back in rewards. Earning 8% on your new Visa card is awesome, but how would you like to earn up to 14% interest on your crypto holdings? If you're holding crypto for investment, inflation protection, or price speculation, it can be frustrating to feel like your money is just parked. Yes, you really can earn up to 14% annual interest on your crypto, paid weekly directly to your account to spend however you like. The interest is paid in the same token that you're holding. So if you have Bitcoin staked, you earn Bitcoin. If you have Ethereum staked, you earn Ethereum, and so on. Flexible terms are offered, including zero lock, so you can withdraw your crypto anytime you like without restrictions. Or you can hold for 1 or 3 month terms for a higher rate of return. Of course, you can buy, sell, and exchange 100 plus cryptocurrencies with 20 plus fiat currencies using bank transfers or your credit and debit card at true cost. Crypto.com is first and foremost a crypto exchange. There is so much more to explore. I have barely scratched the surface. DeFi features, including a private wallet with full control of your private keys, margin and derivatives trading options for advanced traders, crypto credit allows you to borrow against your holdings with no deadlines or credit checks, crypto NFTs allows you to explore the new world of non-fungible tokens, crypto pay allows you to pay any merchant with crypto and you earn up to 10% back in rewards, and that's not even everything they have to offer. If you're looking for the place to be in crypto, use our link in the video description below to sign up today. You'll get a $25 crypto sign-up bonus and 30 days of 0% transaction fees on credit and debit card purchases of crypto. It supports the channel and it gets you a great offer to get started in the world of crypto.